Hello friends, welcome back to DevTrino, and I have posted already a video on how you can earn from this website. Moreover, talking about redeem proof of this website, I had redeemed an Paytm voucher worth rupees 500, and first they send me a mail of confirmation. So you can see they send me a mail of confirmation of purchasing a gift card, and they said that the order will be processed within 3 weeks. So after 3 weeks I checked out the website. You have to go to the account section, and there you should check your gift card. So they send me an Paytm gift card. I have hid the details, and you can see I have received the gift card. They even gave me an expiration date, and this is about Toluna website. If you have liked the video, do like, share and subscribe, and click on the bell icon for the latest notifications, and see you in the next video. Until then, thank you.